Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Done a couple of videos on my compressor and my filtration, but I still have a couple of subscribers asking what I'm using, what filtrations I'm using, how I use it and stuff. So I'm gonna do a real quick video on the equipment I'm using. So right now, this is a Husky. You can see this is a Husky compressor, and it's a 60-gallon 3.4 CFM at 40 psi. You can see there. And this is the filtration I'm using. All right, so it's several different stages. It's 5 stages. This one is the most important one. This is the desiccant dryer. So that's what it is. After this indicator right here tells me when I need to change the desiccant. And the desiccant that I'm using is this. Let me see if I can get a good, there we go. This is what I'm using. So this is what, half a gallon. That's usually what it takes, half a gallon of desiccant. And you can paint a couple of vehicles with it. I've painted up to 3 vehicles, and that's when it starts getting pink. That's when it's time for me to start replacing the desiccant. But it's a real good filtration system. I'll leave a link below telling you where I bought this. So this is not that cheap of a filtration, guys, just to give you a heads up. It's running about $300 to $400 on this filtration, but it's buy it once and that's it. It just keeps on going. Also, let me show you the hose that I'm using for the gun. This is the brand right here, and it's also the brand of the fittings that I'm using. It's a 3/8, and it's a real good flexible hose. It won't tangle up or anything. So that's what I'm using. It's 50 feet long of hose. Like I said, I'm also using the high flow filters, high flow fittings. I'm sorry, the same brand. So I'll leave a link below also where I got that. And this, guys, it's I got 3 valves, 3 drain valves down here, which I open almost every time I paint. I open it, try to open it like about 1 or 2 times in the process of me painting. And it's running up and down, and I believe it's 25 feet running up and down. That's what it's connected all the way over here to the filtration system. So first I get 25 feet long of piping, and it just goes over here and starts a filtration. This is where I do the connection and start directly to the gun. So that's it, guys. This is the filtration and the compressor that I use, and it's been working perfect for many years. So I've had no problems with it. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is it. It's a really quick video update on what I use to paint. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. Like the video, guys. Share the video. Give it a thumbs up. And also hit the link below. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you can be notified on videos that I'm uploading. And that's it, guys. This is it for this video. There's another video coming up, so just I'll try to post a video almost once a week, guys. Almost once every Sunday. I'll try to post a video if I can. And here's another one, guys. All right, thank you and God bless.